Tesla's roadside assistance is a key feature for EV owners, minimizing downtime. This guide, updated for December 2025, covers requesting towing through the Tesla mobile app. Key improvements include AI-enhanced features and expanded partnerships with towing networks. We'll show you how to use the app to request a tow if your Tesla needs it. Roadside assistance is included with new Tesla purchases and leases, providing comprehensive support for various vehicle issues. This coverage includes towing within warranty limits, jump starts for battery issues, tire changes when needed, and lockout services if you get locked out of your vehicle. For complete details, refer to your vehicle's warranty document and check the service section within the Tesla app. First, open the Tesla mobile app on your smartphone. Ensure you're logged in with your Tesla account. Tap the support or service icon. It looks like a wrench. Then select roadside assistance or get help from the options. This is your gateway to Tesla's support features. Next, you need to report the problem you're experiencing. Choose towing from the list of options, such as battery issues, tire problems, or mechanical failure. Describe the issue clearly. For example, vehicle won't start. The app might also ask you to provide photos or use the AR scan feature to help diagnose the problem. The app uses your phone's GPS to automatically pinpoint your location. This ensures the tow truck can find you quickly and accurately. Verify that the location shown on the map is accurate by checking the address and pin placement. If the location appears incorrect, tap the Adjust button to manually update your position for better accuracy. Accurate location data helps speed up the response time and ensures the correct dispatch to your location, getting you back on the road faster. Once you've reported the issue and confirmed your location, tap the Request Tow button to submit your request. The app will then dispatch a towing provider to your location. You'll receive an estimated time of arrival, a tracking link, and details about the provider via push notification on your phone. After submitting your towing request, monitor the progress directly in the Tesla app. The tracking link provides real-time updates on the tow truck's location and estimated arrival time. If any issues arise or you have questions, use the in-app chat feature to contact Tesla support immediately. This follow-up ensures your towing experience is smooth and efficient, with 92% of users reporting positive outcomes according to 2025 satisfaction surveys. Always carry a phone charger, as the app relies on your device's battery. In remote areas, ensure you have a cellular signal. Tesla is integrating predictive maintenance to anticipate breakdowns, potentially reducing towing needs. Future trends include eco-friendly towing with electric tow trucks and autonomous towing services. Regularly update your Tesla app to take advantage of the latest features. Stay prepared and enjoy seamless Tesla roadside assistance.